Type assertion is used to tell TypeScript that I know what I'm doing, just trust me. TypeScript will skip its type checking and go with whatever you told it, unless there is an obvious mistake. And this is done with the keyword as or the angle bracket. Let's take a look at an example. In our index file, we have a link with the ID myLink. We are going to change the link destination in our TypeScript. Since we are going to modify the DOM, make sure to put your script tag at the end of the body instead of in the head of the HTML file. Otherwise, you won't find the document as it's not rendered yet when the script is run. Back to the TypeScript, let's get the element by the ID. Now, move the cursor over to our variable. TypeScript infers that this can be a HTML element or null. That means TypeScript does not know whether the element exists or not. Even if it does exist, TypeScript doesn't know what kind of element it is. So if we try to change the href of the variable, TypeScript catches two issues. First, the variable can be null. Second, the property href doesn't exist on the type HTML element. This is where the assertion comes to rescue. Although TypeScript doesn't know, we know for sure that there is an element with the ID of myLink in our document. We can tell TypeScript that by putting an exclamation mark at the end of the expression. And now TypeScript knows it won't be null. Next, we need to tell TypeScript that it's an anchor instead of any HTML element. Use the keyword as and then choose the right type of element. In this case, HTML anchor element. This fixed the second issue. Since we are telling TypeScript that we know it's an anchor, that implies it can't be null. So when we have as, we don't need the exclamation mark. Beside the as keyword, we can also use angle bracket for assertion. It works exactly the same. Lastly, we know that href is looking for a string. If we give it a number and use assertion to tell TypeScript that it's a string, TypeScript will still warn us. The fun part is if we use assertion to turn the number into the unknown type. Yup, that is a type in TypeScript. We can then turn it into a string with another assertion. That's it for type assertion in TypeScript. Thanks for watching.